guys! So I know how much you want to learn to sound like a native English speaker, and I know you love learning about fast English. So I've already created several videos and shorts in which I teach you how to pronounce certain phrases that native English speakers use all the time. So in this video, I'm going to give you several examples of a form of connected speech that's called assimilation. Assimilation is when two sounds join each other to make a third sound. Now, you've probably already heard some common examples of assimilation. For example, you've probably heard could you coming together to sound like could you. But in this video, I'm going to go over some longer sentences. So before we get started, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Are you ready? Let's go. So the first form of assimilation is when the z and the y sound come together to produce the zh sound. Listen to these sentences and repeat after me. How's your back? How's your back? Is your house far from here? Is your house far from here? Does your wife work? Does your wife work? Has your manager approved your vacation request? Has your manager approved your vacation request? Raise your glasses. Raise your glasses.
So how's your lady?
How's your mom?
How's your job?
Great. Fine. Yeah.
Where's your house?
Why, does your wife mind?
What does your wife say?
What perfume does your wife wear?
As you know, sir, the check has your name on it.
Up. Raise your hands up.
Now, another form of assimilation takes place when the s sound and the y sound come together to make the sh sound. So listen to the following sentences and repeat after me. What's your name? What's your name? What did you do since you arrived? What did you do since you arrived? It's your lucky day. It's your lucky day. Don't miss your flight. Don't miss your flight. You need to face your fears. You need to face your fears.
What's your name?
What's your number?
Don't worry. What's your number?
What's your number? 68. 47.
What's your number?
Since your arrest, the riots have hardly stopped.
How long has it been since your last confession?
Sam, it's been several hours since your last meal.
Looks like it's your lucky day.
Looks like it's your lucky day today, guys.
You miss your man, don't you?
I do miss your mother.
You're gonna miss your moment.
Well, I have to. I'll miss your coffee.
You'll need to face your fears.
So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this short video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the alerts on so you can get notifications about all my new content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.